Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Rayne, local and long-distance movers near me. Moving is stressful, but a long-distance move is even harder. You're relocating your house, but you also have to say goodbye to your neighbors, friends, or family and settle into a completely new location. All this can be stressful. With 3 Movers, you can ensure that your new location is taken care of while focusing on other things. When you hire us, you get the following benefits. Professional crew. Our movers are trained to handle a lot of items at once, including pianos, fine art, and antiques. Full service. We're experts in handling each and every aspect of your relocation, from packing, loading, transporting, and unloading at your new place. No delays. We are always on time and complete your local move without any delays or cancellations. Storage facilities. At 3 Movers, you will find a team who treats you with the utmost respect and your belongings with utmost care. Our movers strive hard to ensure that your belongings reach your new destination safe and sound. Also, we can complete your local move in just one afternoon. Contact us for a stress-free local move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Rayne moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.